Hello traders, and welcome to our London session daily market review for Wednesday, March the 2nd. Starting it off with US markets. All three main US stock indexes rose over 2% each yesterday, while the dollar also gained after better than expected economic data from the housing and factory sectors lowered risk aversion. The US dollar is consolidating today. Canadian dollar futures are following crude oil prices lower. Moving on to Asian markets. Major stock indexes in China and Japan made large gains today as investors tracked overnight Wall Street movements after impressive US economic data. The Japanese yen weakened against the greenback yesterday, and futures are edging higher today. Australian dollar futures are appreciating after this morning's GDP reading that came in better than economists forecasted. And in European markets, European stock indexes followed global markets higher yesterday, and crude oil gains drove commodity prices higher. European index futures are appreciating today. Euro futures are declining against other major currencies, while British pound futures are moving higher ahead of today's important construction data release. In commodities highlights, crude oil is trading lower today after yesterday's data from API showed that US crude inventories rose by 9.9 million barrels last week. Gold is also lower today as investors look for more risky trades after yesterday's day of optimism. And here are today's important economic events. At 9:30 a.m. GMT, a UK Construction Purchasing Managers Index print will be released. This data is a leading indicator of economic health as it surveys the purchasing managers in the construction industry. A reading above 50 indicates economic growth, and economists expect this reading to come in at 55.5. At 1:15, a US non-farm employment change reading is due out. This data measures the change in number of employed people during the previous month. Experts expect this reading to come in at 185,000. And at 3:30 p.m, a US crude oil inventories report is expected out, which is the change in number of barrels of crude oil held in storage during the previous week. Experts expect to see an increase in 2.5 million barrels. This was today's London session daily market review. Have a happy and profitable trading day.